Don't you hate when you turn your sprinklers on and find out you got a broken sprinkler head from the flood in your front yard? Well, I'm News 6 anchor Eric Von Anken, the handy newsman, and I'm going to show you how to change this out in 15 minutes. This is the step that's going to take the most time. It's also the most important, digging up all of the dirt and all of the grass around the sprinkler. Here's a shovel. Can you dig it? There's a few reasons why you want to dig a hole about 1 foot wide around the sprinkler. First of all, so you can work on it. Secondly, so you can make sure the pipe down below is not cracked. But this is key. Also, so when you pull off the old sprinkler and put on the new one, you don't get any dirt in the feeder line. And then, just screw off your old sprinkler head. It is really that easy. And if I were you, I'd take it with you to Ace to make sure that you get the right replacement, making sure it's the right height, but also the right pipe diameter. Once you picked up a new one, screw it in, and that's it. You are finished with installation. You'll probably have to adjust the angle and the distance of the spray, and every rotor head is just a little bit different, but don't worry, every one comes with its own instructions. And again, this repair is for a broken sprinkler head, not a broken pipe. We'll show you how to fix this in another segment. But for now, remember, if you got a project at your house you'd like us to tackle, send me an email at gettingresultsathome@wkmg.com. And next week, we might just show up at your door. For now in Oviedo, Eric Von Anken, Getting Results, News 6.
All righty, if you'd like to watch that repair again, it's on clickorlando.com under Getting Results at Home. Erica also has the step-by-step instructions and a list of materials you would need with the links, so you can try it yourself if you're brave enough.
I'm not brave enough, but like Eric said, we are looking for our next DIY project, so send us an email, tell us what we can help you with at your home.